Hey guys, okay, good afternoon. Right now, I'm just here, sitting alone in the same spot in the last video. Now, let me let me explain you this on how you're going to manage your or how you're going to start your just like your goals when your family are just like starting to hate it, started to hate the way that you do, the way that you move. But this is my suggestion to you. If you struggle yourself and your family hates you because you're chasing something, but you got to remember this. Sometimes they just get worried to you because they experience it a lot. Then like in their times, like at your age, your parents are they experience it. But none of us are have different things a lot. But 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 that is truly the beginning of it. Because when we chase something in our life and your parents start to hate things, that is the best start. Yes. Because it is not just pushing you to keep moving forward to the goal or to the things that you want to chase. And when you apply it with some kind of a mindset, so when you apply it, you absolutely can absolutely trust the progress to it. Usually right now, that the way that I'm doing right now, my parents I usually hate me. They hate me like the way that I chase my goal. Because I usually laid back a ton, but I don't use it as a laziness, but I use it to recharge myself because of I don't want having burnout anymore. So that respect your family too.